In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor VRAM usage in MSI Afterburner. If you've ever wondered whether your graphics card's memory is the bottleneck in your games or creative apps, this quick setup will give you a clear, real-time look at how much VRAM you're using and when you're pushing the limit. It's simple, reliable, and super helpful for dialing in graphics settings without guesswork. Start by opening MSI Afterburner. This is the lightweight tool many of us use to monitor and tune GPU behavior. If it's pinned to your taskbar or sitting on your desktop, go ahead and launch it now. Once it's open, look for the gear icon right in the middle of the interface. That gear opens the settings window, which is where all the monitoring options live. Click it to continue. Inside settings, you'll see several tabs along the top. Click the one labeled Monitoring. This tab controls which metrics Afterburner tracks and shows. It's basically your dashboard configuration, and it determines what you'll see in graphs and, if you already use one, in any on-screen overlay. Now scroll through the list of available hardware metrics. You're looking for an item called memory usage, or VRAM usage. The exact name can vary slightly depending on your GPU and the Afterburner version, but it refers to the same thing: the amount of graphics memory currently in use. When you find it, check the box next to it to enable monitoring. Turning this on tells Afterburner to actively collect and display VRAM data so you can watch it in real time. This is especially handy for spotting memory spikes when loading high-resolution textures or large scenes. When you're done, click OK to save your settings. This applies your changes and closes the settings window. If you skip this, the monitoring won't be enabled, so make sure to confirm with OK rather than closing the window another way. With VRAM monitoring turned on, launch a game or any GPU-heavy application to see the usage climb and fall as you play or render. You can keep Afterburner visible on a secondary screen or glance at its graphs between sessions. Watch how VRAM usage responds to different scenes, texture quality, resolution, and anti-aliasing. If you consistently sit near your card's VRAM limit, you may notice stutters or longer loading moments. That's your cue to adjust settings later to balance visual quality and performance. And that's it. You've enabled VRAM monitoring in MSI Afterburner. Enjoy the insight, and congratulations.